Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to clear cache and cookies in Google Chrome. Let's start with the video. First open your Chrome browser. After that click on three dots and then click on delete browsing data. Now you will see this kind of window, delete browsing data. Here you will find two options, basic and advanced. So if you want to delete your browsing history, cookies and other site data, cached images and files, so you can select the basic. Here you have also the time period range, so you can select the time period range for 1 hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or you can select all time. Here there are three options, so you can select them to clear your browsing data. If you want to go to advanced mode, then click on this advanced mode. So now here you can clear the browsing history, you can clear the download history, cookies and other sites data, cached image and files. You can also clear password and sign-in data, autofill form data, site settings as well. So it depends on you. After selecting these options, click on clear data. So here you can see it has cleared your cookies and browsing history. So guys, in this video we saw how to clear cached cookies and browsing history in Google Chrome. So if you find the video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel.